Hello, I'm Annette Hurley, Executive Mindset and Career Coach. Ladies, are you ready? Now is the time. Awaken and arise. Break free of limits. Be more personally and professionally empowered. Create the life you dream. Now is the time. Calling all women from any and all walks of life to join in a powerful weekend of exploration and discovery with other amazing women and myself at Empowering Women's Turning Darkness into Light workshop. Awaken and arise. Create the life you dream. Now is the time. Are you ready?